Okay, now we're going to do passing knots. So knots can be tied in a rope for a number of reasons. Most likely the knots have been tied because a rope's been damaged and the damaged section has been tied out. So we're going to go up to the knots, we're going to move past them and then come back down them again. So for this one we're going to go up in our descender. So that means then when we come to the knot we can move straight past it into our crawl. So put on our backup. We're going to go up in this end, so then we can change directly past the knot into our crawl. So we're now as high as we can go. So I'm going to put on our spare backup. Now we're going to move our ASAP past the knot. Remove the spare backup. And now we're going to step up and place our crawl on. So we're going to open up the crawl, I'm going to stand up, put the crawl on. Now we can take our descender off. And now we're ready to continue on up the rope. So now we're going to come down past the knots. We're going to change into descend, or you could come down in ascend as well. Now we're going to come the whole way down. Now we're going to go up into our crawl. Now we're going to put our descender below the knots. Then we're going to go down and ascend, putting our finger in the crawl to try and take away as much of the slack between the two devices. And now we're ready to bring our foot lip down, move the crawl and sit down into the descender. Now I'm going to move the back up, so we're going to put on our spare. Move the ASAP below the knot. Remove the spare back up. And descend. And that's passing knots.